Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another summer craft party video. Today I have another easy and cute insert card for you. This is my Aw Ship insert card. I love the little pun there. The cruise ship there is really cool. You've got some birds and seagulls around, a little sun there in the corner as well. There's a spot on the inside for your message, and I include an envelope as well. Now, I've said this before, like all of my insert cards, this can be made on any Cricut cutting machine, ranging from the Cricut Joy all the way up to the Cricut Maker 4, as well as the Cricut Venture. I can't wait to show this one to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your Cricut cutting machine, your light grip or standard grip cutting mat, a scoring wheel or scoring stylus, a weeding tool, scraper, brayer, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. Now that we know what materials we're going to need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. This project is part of Summer Craft Party 2026. If you're watching this video during the event, you can find the buttons to download the cut file on the event page. If you're watching this video after the event has ended, you can purchase the individual cut file from my shop at shop.thebeardedhousewife.com, or you can purchase the VIP Access Pass that includes instant lifetime access to the entire 12-day event, plus bonus cut files, printable worksheets, and commercial licensing. Get more information on the VIP Access Pass in the description box below. No matter how you download the cut file, make sure to download the file to your computer, unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's first find the envelope. Click on this icon to drop down the layers, highlight this top layer, come up to the operation menu and change that to score, highlight the group, and attach. And we need to do the same thing to the card base. Now that you've converted the score lines for the envelope and the card base, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, I have everything all cut out. It's time to go ahead and start to assemble. The first thing that I'm going to do is fold and burnish along the score line of this card base. Now we'll open up the card, and I will place the insert into those little slits. Just like that. I'm going to set that to the side. Let's go ahead and make the envelope For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take your inlay panel, add glue along the outer edge of the inlay. Flip the inlay over, place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around, bring the side flaps in, add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And then that forms your envelope. And your card is all set. Well, what did you think of this one? If you are going on a cruise with some friends or some family, what a great way to prep them and get excited for the trip. If you know somebody who is going on a cruise, this would be a cool way to give a gift card so that they can use it for some onboard credit. Just there's so many possibilities, and I hope that you like it. If you make this project, I hope that you post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. There's a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next Summer Craft Party video. Bye-bye.